This is the Cook County Police Department activating the Amber Alert system. We have received important information regarding children abducted from Cook County, Illinois. 4 teenage boys were abducted from Parkway Gardens and is believed to be in danger. The first child's name is Dustin Sherman Baden. He is a 17-year-old white male, 6 feet 0 inches tall, 160 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a black hoodie, black sweatpants and white Nike Air Force 1s. The second child's name is Justice Thomason. Thomason is an 18-year-old black male, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 170 pounds with brown and blonde dreads and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black tank top, silver cross chain, black pants, and black and white Vans. The third child's name is Michael Andrew McCallum. McCallum is a 16-year-old white male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 160 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a gray hoodie and red plaid pajamas. The fourth child's name is Jackson Makokata Dawsett. Dawsett is a 17-year-old white male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 175 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a gray t-shirt, black pants, and black sneakers. Authorities confirm the boys were abducted by Dustin Baden's non-custodial mother Catalina Wesley Baden. Catalina is a 45-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 178 pounds with brown hair and hazel eyes. The five were last seen driving a 1991 gray Chevrolet Corsica bearing Michigan license plate RSL 4192. Last seen driving on the Tri-State Tollway passing Rosemont. If you have any information on the whereabouts of these children, please call 911 immediately or the Cook County Sheriff at 708-865-4700.